Thank you all for clicking into my video. It's going to be super quick. Please don't forget to hit subscribe and like, and follow me on Instagram. If you have any questions or comments, if you like what I've done, if you don't like what I've done, please leave me a comment and give me some feedback. Today we're going to be going from this purple and pink that we've done to a green and blue. Stay tuned for this beautiful mermaid color. So you guys, I'll put everything, all the products that I'm using in the description box, but I'm starting out by using BlondeMe. I apologize for not putting a picture of it up in the video, but I'm using Schwarzkopf BlondeMe, and I'm using 20 volume. So I'll leave that in the description box as well. And I'll be using Ion Color Brilliance for her color. So now I'm going through each foil and removing the excess lightener from the ends and reapplying lightener through the mid shaft where the hair was previously dark. So I will put that area back into the foils and leave her ends out and let that continue processing just for a little bit longer. So here are the colors that I used: Ion Color Brilliance, Tanzanite, Sapphire, and Jade. And I also used another color, and I'll show you that right now. Yes, Funky Color. So I just took block panels and applied the color. In some panels I used 2 colors, some panels I used 1, and in some panels I used 3 or 4. So I just mixed it up, and next you'll see how these panels came out and what my finishing product looked like. So stay tuned for this beautiful mermaid hair. Thanks for taking the time out to look at my video. Don't forget to hit that like and the subscribe button, and leave me a comment if you have any suggestions on the next one. And I will see y'all the next time. Thanks. Bye.